Honda Genuine Parts University. Cabin air filters. Pollen, dust, airborne contaminants. They are all in the air you breathe every day. Fortunately, you can keep them out of your passenger cabin by inspecting and replacing your cabin air filter as recommended by Honda. The cabin air filter cleans the air that enters from the outside of the car into the passenger area by removing dust, pollen, and airborne particulates. The filter is most effective when the windows are closed. Honda Genuine cabin air filters are designed specifically for your vehicle and meet Honda's exacting performance and quality standards. They are engineered to deliver maximum filtration of both incoming and recirculated air. And best of all, they give you the confidence of knowing they meet Honda standards for performance, quality, and durability. Honda cabin air filters and most other brands are made of pleated fabric-like material to maximize the filtering surface. Particulates that have a diameter of 10 microns or less can remain in your lungs when you breathe. That's about 1/5 the diameter of human hair. Particulates between 2.5 and 10 microns include mold spores, house dust, bacteria, settling dust, cement dust, and oil smoke. Fine particulates between 0.3 and 2.5 microns include pet allergens, house dust, bacteria, suspended atmospheric dust, smog, and tobacco smoke. Ultrafine particles below 0.3 microns include smog, viruses, tobacco smoke, and soot. The Honda Genuine cabin air filter is designed to capture particulates as small as 0.3 microns. The particulates in the air become the particulates in your lungs unless you filter the air you're breathing. Since people spend more time today in their cars, cleansing the air you breathe while driving gives you the satisfaction of doing the right thing for you and your passengers. In 2010 and again in 2015, Honda Genuine cabin air filters and 2 aftermarket brands were tested. Cabin air filter designs and construction vary. The quantity of pleats and the pleat dimensions vary between brands. Of the filters tested, the Honda Genuine cabin air filter had the most pleats and up to 63% more filtering surface area. The more surface area, the greater the opportunity to capture particulates. The Honda Genuine cabin air filter's filtering efficiency improved rapidly as the particulates increased in size, capturing around 82% of particles 0.8 microns in size and nearly all particles that are 3 microns and larger. Both of the aftermarket filters tested were significantly less effective at cleaning the air. Dust holding capacity is a measure of how long it takes the filter to get full and require replacement. Both of the aftermarket filters had significantly less dust holding capacity than the Honda Genuine cabin air filter. Therefore, you would need to change a Honda cabin air filter less often, saving you time and money. Using an aftermarket filter may reduce the filtering capacity and subsequent airflow of the air filtration system. Most Honda vehicles use a maintenance minder system to alert you when it's time to replace your cabin air filter. It's important to change the cabin air filter regularly. Be sure to ask for a Honda Genuine cabin air filter to get the best filtering results for the longest period of time. Keep it genuine. Keep it special.